Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Moog Model 15 iPad app. In this episode, let's explore the attenuators. They should be pretty easy and fast to go through. So I may get to another component. Let's check it out. So in this same setup as before, basically the end of tutorial 1, where we have a rectangular waveform oscillator routing into our voltage controlled amplifier, being modulated by our envelope generator and routed to the trunk. So if we route this orange line over to one of these attenuators, there's 3 attenuators here. They're all looks the same. There's some attenuators down here as well. So right here, there's a reversible attenuator that we'll take a look at, this one right here. And then there's a reversible attenuator with a control signal right here. Actually, 2 of them. So let's take a look at those. So in this attenuator, so basically you have an input and output. So we're going to route that output back over here. And nothing happens because our attenuator is at 0. So if we turn that up, and as we turn that attenuator down, it lowers the volume. So it's basically like an amplifier, but instead of amplifying, it just attenuates it. Makes things quieter. So at 10, it's the original signal, and at 0, it's no signal. So pretty simple stuff. Let's route it to a reversible attenuator. I don't think we're going to hear much difference, though. So if we turn it to 10, we hear the original signal. If we turn it to -10, we reverse the signal. But in this example, we can't hear the difference because the reverse of a rectangular saw wave is not an audible difference. So we'd have to have a interesting effect to actually hear that difference. Let's rig it up to a control line. So this is a reversible attenuator with a control. So as you can see there, we're basically rigging that oscillator up to the control of the reversible attenuator, which lets us do some basically modulation of the sound. Let's play around with it some more. So lots of crazy effects we can do there, just with that control line. So we have 2 of those reversible attenuators, not too bad. Let's read about them in the manual, see if we missed anything. If we go to settings, manual. Oop, not the quick start. Manual. Let's turn off the thing so we don't hear the goofy buzz. Let's see, modules. Attenuators allow you to lower the level of any audio or control signal. By lowering the knob value, you can apply the round amount of control change to any module or function or limit the level of any audio source. Oops, I didn't mean to click out. That was an accident. So this module, there's 3 995 attenuators, Setting the knob to 10 will allow it to pass at full strength. 0 is no signal. 3 attenuators in this module are normalized in descending order. For example, signal arriving in of the top one are sent to the out jack of all 3 remaining attenuators, unless it is blocked by signal connected to in of the other. Weird. So you can actually you can mix it, or you can treat it as a like a what do they call it? A mux. Reversible attenuator can decrease or phase invert any level signal. At 0, no attenuation provided. Right, center is applied to place at 10. Left to center, phase signal is reversed and attenuation is applied until the knob reaches -10. This bonus module is similar to the reversible attenuator with a conditional of a control input jack allowing an attenuation amount. By connecting audio rate signals to the control input, interesting effects like ring modulation can be achieved. And that's what we kind of heard with this pattern right here. Let's play around a bit with it going to the top one. So if we put it to the top one, and then route this guy to the top. Got to turn on our unit. So we should also be able to route it here. That's a theory. Yeah, there it goes. That's pretty weird. All right. Well, that was a quick look at attenuators. What else we got to look at next time? Next time we got to look at a delay effect. We got to look at the bridges and the recorder. We still didn't do this this right here, this voltage controlled oscillator, which might be interesting. All right, not too many pieces left. All right, see you next time.